we are we are busy with mobile phone. We are here after long time. We need to talk to each other, right?
Yes.
This is not good, you know. So give me your mobile. Okay, keep it here. You know, it's just
Sorry.
just at the time of coming, I saw an accident.
Really?
Yes, a boy fall down in the manhole.
Really?
Yes,
But how?
the boy was walking on the road. At the same time, he was using mobile phone. You know, he was busy using mobile phone like that, and suddenly he he fall down in the manhole. It's happening nowadays. Around 3.8 billion people are smartphone user around the world.
Really?
Among them, around 6.3% are smartphone addicted.
Really? Okay, then we all are using mobile phone.
Hmm?
What do you mean by mobile phone addiction?
Extensive use of mobile phone. You know, there are so many people, they are all time busy with mobile phone. Do you know, this behavioral addiction is nomophobia.
Really? This
Yeah.
is called nomophobia.
Nomophobia. So, we should be concerned, we should be careful. Can you gauge some negative impacts?
Yes, maybe I can guess. Like we are facing insomnia. That means we can sleep at night because of this
Yes,
effect.
yes.
Actually, our young generation and even our toddlers
Yeah.
are being addicted
Addicted.
to mobile phone. Lose of concentration, creativity block, anxiety, isolation, suicide tendency. Actually, there are so many reasons for this suicidal tendency, like isolation, GABA dysfunction.
What do you mean by GABA dysfunction?
Actually, GABA means gamma aminobutyric acid, which controls our anxiety, fear, etc. in our brain, in our neuron. This is a chemical.
Chemical.
Yes.
Okay.
So when a person is addicted to mobile phone and he overuse mobile phone, is GABA, this chemical is started being imbalanced. So that can be a cause of suicidal
tendency.
Yes.
The person
There's
loses
so many
control.
reasons also. He can control himself. Some other reasons also, like we feel isolated because of keeping long time in mobile phone. We can't connect with so many people. We feel
got it.
lonely, and you know that this is a world of fantasy. What we see in our social media, in our mobile phone, this is not true always, but our ambition becomes higher than the reality. Some other negative impacts also, like loss of cognition power or psychological disorders, feeling stress. Another negative impact can be happen, that is decrease in gray matter.
Decreasing gray matter.
Yeah.
What does it mean? Decreasing gray matter. Could you please let me know?
This is part of central nervous system, which controls movement, emotion, memory, etc. This is also another cause of suicidal attempt of our teenage.
If the person lost his control on his brain, then the person take decision of committing suicide.
We should use a smartphone to be smart and to be updated with the rest of the world.
Exactly.
But we should be careful about the negative impacts of a smartphone, right?
Mobile phone has brought the world in our hand.
Yes.
You know, but we have to take it very positive way.
Yes.
We have to use it. We have to use for gathering knowledge.
Yes.
We have to use for
it
taking
for our
good things.
betterment.
Exactly. We have to use it for taking good things. Electronic media, social media is essential for us, but we have to use it proper way or positive way.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much. We can meet another day.
What about taking a cup of coffee?
Yes, I like it. I like coffee more than tea. Thank you for offering it.
Okay.
And please, I can.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, thank you very much for watching our video. Please like our page and stay with us for more conversations, more dialogues like this. And to stay with us, please click the follow button. Thank you. Bye bye. Amates.
Thank you.